She's like a robot.
She's eating a lot of that bread.
You dance? Can you dance? Can you dance?
Are you dancing?
Go down low track. No.
Start dancing.
I don't want her behind. I guess it's better than nothing. I think Thanksgiving marks the day that she can.
You frowning at me?
Frowner.
Hummingbird? Yes. Whoa. You see the hummingbird? You smile at the hummingbird. Yeah, there's a hummingbird on the refrigerator. Go get it. Walk all the way. Go get the hummingbird.
She's eating a lot of that bread.
Yeah,
She's almost
she is.
halfway done
Go
with
get
it.
it.
I gave her a banana and avocado at Tanya.
Yeah, she likes avocado a lot. Oh, so you did feed her at Tanya?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I thought she was mad.
No, I would always try and give her food.
Look at the hummingbird. Good.
Yeah, you're awesome.
Jaden, come here.
Go see Mommy. Go give
Come
Mommy
here.
a piece of bread. Mommy's hungry.
Come here,
Go give
Jaden.
Mommy a piece of bread.
Jaden, come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Jaden. What do I have that she wants? Jaden.
Here, baby.
Jaden, look. You want this? Jaden, you want this? She's just
Put it
gonna,
on? We'll put it on?
she's just gonna crawl now. Jaden, cheater.
Get
Come
up.
on, stand up.
Here, get
Stand
up.
her up.
There you go. Get your bearings. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Calm down.
Wait,
Calm down.
let her get it steady.
I know I was trying to, but she kind
Come
of
on, you want
just too
it?
excited.
Come get it. Come on. Come on. Come and get it. Come and get it.
Yay,
It's
Jaden.
like soft and G video. Take that whole thing?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see it then.